Hi everyone, welcome back to Borg Tutorials. I am Sanyokta Baghel, your ultimate guide for Borg ERP learning series. So by now you must be clear that what is the today's topic for my tutorial. It is actually about the pending task. It is actually about the painful point of every day what we suffer in our day-to-day office activities. What actually we observe that most of the time we are overburdened with our tasks, with our priorities, with our commitments to the client, and we need to deliver all the projects, all the tasks in a projected time, and we have to complete it by the deadline. So often we found that we are trying our best, you and your team is trying your best, but still what is the net result? That we are not able to deliver our task on priority within the limited or the projected timeline. So what is the gap between this? What is the main reason? The main reason is that we are not aligned with the task and the team members. Means what? That you and your team members are trying the very hard, but still there is no improvement. All the tasks are still pending, and your clients are yelling at you. So this is not the way you want to make your company or your organization progress. It should be in a defined manner. That means your task should be prioritized, should be defined, and it should be based on the priority level. Moreover, all the team members should be aware of that, and you or maybe you may be a sales manager, you may be your stakeholder of your company, and your team both should be on a common platform. So that common platform for the time management and the task management is the Borg task force. So this is the point at which Borg task force comes into the picture. So today I am sharing my screen and letting you know how you can create a task and how can you assign that task to your team members. So let's go and explore Borg ERP task force. So here, first of all, I will log in my account, and I will try to show you how it will work. So task force main objective is to minimize your pain points. That is to make you and your team on a common platform, on a same page. So from here in admin dashboard, I will click in extreme right where we can see the modules, separate modules. From here, I will click on task force. And when I click on task force, I am coming to the task force dashboard, and inside menu bar, navigation bar, you can see the various submenus. So below the dashboard is the add new task. So when I click on add new task, I get to see two drop downs, that is general task and checklist task. So if I click on general task, it will show up like this. So here is the general task. You can add the general task. That means you can add a task if you are having a single point of concern. Say, for example, I'm adding a task here that I need to do correction points, and this is the detail. Now you can attach here any file or document if needed. Then we need to set up the deadline. So the task should be completed within the deadline. So I need to select any of these deadline. If it is of high priority, it must be today, by today itself, or as soon as possible. Or if you are having such a task that it is in an ongoing process, it is taking months and months of time, then you can select as ongoing, or you can select a custom date as well. So today I am selecting it as soon as possible. It is very urgent. Then I will select a category. So category, it is reflecting urgent to be done. Then I will select the assignee. That means I need to assign this task to my team member. So right now I am selecting Nishant Kumar and Rishabh Kumar for this task, and I will click on add new general task. So this task will be created. So you can see here that this task is created within a few minutes, and you can see the assignee, you can see the creation date, deadline, status, these all things. You can see status as new open. New open means, that means this task is newly created, and it is not updated till now by any of your user or any of the assignee. So I can go here and I can update. But before that, I would like to show this task in user account to which this particular task has been assigned. It is assigned to Nishant Kumar and Rishabh Kumar. Let me check. So now I am showing you a user in a different browser, separate browser. So I need to log in a user account from here. It will be, I think net is a little bit slow at my end. So now I will log in with a user account login credentials, HRMS 001, and I will click on sign in. So now it is done. I am into the user account, and I will show you how this task is being deflected here. So you can see this is a user dashboard, and I need to check the task which has been created by admin account is being displayed over here or not. So you can see here that in manage all tasks, it is showing up like this, that 2 tasks are there, and these 2 tasks are having all these details. And once I will click on edit, so it will show up like this, and I can do this. I can do or update from here. I can change the category as well. I can change the status as well. Say, for example, I am changing it in progress because I am now doing this task on priority. We have started this task. So I am updating here, and I will update this task. So now this task is in the in progress state, and it is has been started by this particular user. Now let me check in admin account what's the updation, what's the new update. So if I need to check the update, I will click on the first icon, which will show up the task tracking log. So you can see now that Nishant Kumar and the user ID and from which department, sales department, has updated this task, that we have started this task. So you can see each and every update is available from user account, and user and admin both are now on the same page. There is no communication gap, and each time when user or the assignee will update this particular task, every moment that task will be updated, you will find a email also in both in all of the assignees mail. So this is how you can create the task, and it can be updated, and once it can be it will be updated, you will be able to see all the status and the all sorts of reportings we have. So I will continue this topic in the further new video, and will tell you how we can track all the data from user account as well and admin account, that all tasks can be tracked based on the time and the time exposed or time dedicated by any of your user, how much it is beneficial to find out. So thank you for patience listening.